Hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn with me. So today I am going to tell you about a legit NFT airdrop guys. So before getting into the matter, we will see a small glimpse of NFT project. So before getting into the this thing, don't forget to claim CMC diamonds every day, okay? So why I am saying, so I would show you diamonds, okay? So if you can see, we didn't claim today, so we claimed it today. So what can we buy with these diamonds? So as you can see, rewards. So we can buy rare NFTs guys. So you can see the supply is 15 blockchain diamonds by Neilg. Only 15 we have. So you can also claim with 100 diamonds engine diamond NFT pink. I have already claimed it guys. If you haven't already claimed it, please go and claim. So I would be showing you how it would be looking like. So so let's open our wallet. So here you can see assets. So morning I have said that to claim an NFT also. I don't think you claimed it or not. So this is the NFT guys. So this value is very low, but claim the NFT guys, claim the diamonds guys. Somehow we have a chance of claiming 5000 diamonds NFT guys. So it would be around 100 to $1000 guys. NFTs are crazy right now. So don't waste your time, just claim the diamonds in coin market cap. And these also, what do you say, CoinGecko. So next, getting into the Ternova wallet. So I would be giving you the details about this wallet. So you can see NFTs. So this is a great offer guys. So every month you would be getting a small NFT. 100% you would be getting NFTs. So go to DApps. So what we have to do is go to DApps, go to secret NFT. So here you can see all the, this is the marketplace guys. So we can see all the NFTs which are placed here. So these are the NFTs placed here. So you can connect your wallet, you can buy, you can sell, you can do everything you want, okay? So this is the market. So go to DApps again. What we have to do is same like high dollars. So same like that, we need to open time engine. After opening time engine, we have a daily claim guys. So daily we can claim. So day 1 we have some claims, day 2 we have some claims, day 3 we have some claims. And after claiming that, boost your claim. So you need to link your Twitter account. So you need to follow their Twitter, you need to follow their Instagram, and give your username. So at the rate Santu, like that you should maintain, okay? So afterwards you can also like and retweet this tweet, okay? Afterwards every month we would be getting NFTs guys. We can also buy NFTs with the tokens we have. I have 6 time engines right now. So as much as I can collect, I can collect. So these are the main things guys, don't miss this opportunity. And the next one is Pi app guys. So as you all know, Pi is an extraordinary currency. So I don't even have to say about it. So these currency, they have made a testing transaction. So of 10,000 Pi guys, it is around 1 lakh dollars. So 10,000 Pi is around 1 lakh dollars guys, as per that transaction. So what would be the value of Pi? So we still have time to mine Pi. So as much as you can invite, you can mine everything you can. So Pi KYC also has been rolled out. It can be done only in the browser guys. So don't miss this opportunity. So if you want to mine Pi, I would be giving my referral code in the description. So it would help you get some Pi. You can get at least 1 to 2 Pi. So don't miss this opportunity guys. While you can mine free, why do you expect to invest something? So if you want to invest, it's all on your own risk. But try to understand when there is a situation like we are getting this for free, why to leave it. So I would be providing legit airdrops also, but if we won't work we can't get airdrops, guys. So please subscribe to my channel and give like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys.